Hey guys, Nicole Herrick here with you. I have just got a Ryobi battery operated 18 volt 36 centimeter lawn mower. So I'm really excited to test this out. I thought I would do a quick unboxing and simple how to put it together, and then we'll give it a whack on the lawn and see how she goes. So you can see everything that it comes with right here. So we've got the lawn mower. This is the 4 amp hour kit, so it comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger as well. And this is just the catcher. This is everything you need. I'll just quickly show you how to set up a few things that aren't set up when it comes out of the box. Okay, so straight out of the box, this top part won't be connected yet, but you just need to lift up your handle that is connected, click it into place. And then we can pop this on and put our screws in. And this is height adjustable as well. So seeing as I'm a short ass, I'm gonna put this on the lowest one. The bolts go in through the outside. And then to keep the handle in place, these will need to be tightened until you get a nice firm clip when you clip these up along towards the handle. So they'll generally be pretty loose when you first open it up, and just tighten until you get a reasonably firm. You don't need to force these in any way, so if it feels too hard to clip in, then just unscrew it another round or two. And when you're ready to fold the handle down to store it away, all you need to do is unclip these and unscrew these a little bit. And it will fold up nice and small. You also just need to clip the cord into these little rubber hooks here. Now, this is the height adjuster, and this is so easy to use. If you just look how simple that was. On my old lawnmower, it used to take me 10 minutes and like hurt my hands to try and change the height of the lawnmower. So this is the main thing I'm so excited about, just being able to go raise and lower. In this part is where your battery goes. It simply locks in like so. And this is an Immobiliser key. So if you have kids and you want to make sure that they can't just grab this out and take it for a spin and chop their toes off, then you can take out the key and store it somewhere that they don't know where it's hiding. Or you can just leave it in if your cats don't like mowing like mine don't. The catcher has some little hooks here and here. All you need to do is pull this up and slot these into place. And we're done. There is also a little flap just here that indicates whether or not you need to empty the catcher. So this will be open from the air being able to flow through when you have space in the catcher. When this closes, it means there's no more air in the catcher, so you need to empty it. So if it's closed, empty the catcher. If it's open, you're good to go. You want to know what they don't tell you in the instructions? You need to take out this. To start the machine, just push the power button and pull in both of the levers, and then to stop, just simply let go. Now my grass was reasonably long and has lots of big tufts of weed in it because I hate gardening, but I did find that it went perfectly fine. There was just a few big clumps of weeds or like lumps in the soil that I had to just lift the front ever so slightly to get over them. But yeah, it did really well. The catcher caught every single little blade of grass, which my old lawnmower just did not do. And this thing is super lightweight, so you never need to worry about it falling off the edge of the gutter. So I'm really happy with the results of how this lawnmower worked compared to my old petrol one. Obviously, if you have a really big yard and you let your grass grow super long, then stick with the petrol. But if you have a small to medium sized lawn, or even just lawn out the front on the curb like I do, then I think this is perfect for you. It is so affordable and super lightweight. What more could you ask for? And it's super easy clean up too. Just grab a dry soft bristle brush. You don't use a hose and water like you do with the petrol models, so don't do that. And it packs away super compact, easy. You can pick it up with the handle and just carry it back inside if you don't have an outdoor storage shed. And yeah, that's it guys. I give this one a big thumbs up and 5 out of 5 for use, performance for small to medium sized gardens. Thanks for watching guys. I hope that was helpful.